That time in media, I don't know Vertex like in dance or Summer Fever, August 27th, zoom in for the flyer, it's crazy. Too nice, committed for life, you don't know. Big Frost, you don't know Vertex, you don't know Diamond Cut, Triple Threat. It's crazy. I don't know a King Leo birthday, so you know it's a mad King Leo, yeah, dude, dog.
Summer Fever, Aug 27th Vola.
Fever, summer!
Yo, you already know what it is. It's your boy Ceaza Leon, man. I'm here at Queen B. My cousin King Leo, Simply Taya First Lady, now her entertainment, you already know, man. But we're here to tell you about August 27th, going down, Vola Lounge, Summer Fever, celebrate my family's birthday. Shout out Kiko Mugga, it's gonna be his birthday too. DJ Andre and DJ BW's birthday. Diamond Cut Sound
Jessica Flowers.
Shout out Jessica Flowers also. Everybody that's gonna be there celebrating their birthday. But you already know, music by DJ Too Nice, Vertex Sound, Diamond Cut Sound Crew, Triple Cut Sound, hosted by me, your boy Ceaza Leon, man. So you already know how it's going down when we're in the building. It's nothing but extravagance. It's nothing but pop bottles affair because it's my family's birthday. You know what I'm saying? Champagne campaign. We ain't gonna have the plastic cups. We ain't gonna have the plastic cups. We're gonna have like wine glasses, champagne glasses, that crazy shit.
We popping them bottles all night. Popping them bottles all night.
We got Bambino over here, but over there downtown. You wait. I'll show you something. You know what I mean? But you already know how it's going down. Summer fever is hot.